today I'm going to show my pets. So here's my pets. They are white in color. Oh my, what they do? Bunny are so naughty. Look, they do like this because they're so naughty. Naughty bunnies. They're like cotton candy. So look, they even eat birds' food like this. Grains. Look at them. They're so playful. You can play with them, and the time flies by. And you will see soon will be your birthday. And look at them. I don't know why they eat seeds over here. I don't think that's the right food for them. But I think they can eat it. Them all can eat it. So they can even eat spinach, cabbage, carrots, all these things, all the green food. And look at them. They're two rabbits. Do you see them? Are they cute or they are not cute? Write in the comments. So this end is of this video. If you want to watch more of my videos, so you know what to do.